What's up, guys? How you doing? I know it's been a while since I recorded an open boxing, but today's open boxing is the Fire TV Stick 4K right here. Awesome. So we'll get right into it, guys. Right in the box, what's included? We got the TV stick, the remote, two AAA batteries, power adapter, USB cable, and an HDMI extender cable. What you need to use it is a high-speed internet with Wi-Fi and any input, 4K input. So here, let's check it out right here. What's good about this is it works with Alexa. If you have Alexa, it's 4K, like I said, high dynamic range, Dolby sound speaker, and so one of the newer ones here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Right here, we got, like it says, use my little table. So we got the, alrighty. So right away you got the instructions right here. Pretty easy. Got some more information. Right inside is the cable, looks like, the USB cable to the box, or the remote. And this is the magic right here. Is the little stick, this is where you put it in the TV, I'm assuming. And we got the remote right here. This remote, you can actually, what's cool is it's a talk to the remote right here, and you get what you need. And then we got the charger. It looks like a 5-watt charger, so it's not a supercharger or anything like that. So that's for your remote. And the last thing in here is the USB. It says the USB cable, so that's what you use right here. Another thing to mention, the stuff that you can watch with the Fire TV Stick, it shows that it's HBO, Showtime, Food Network, Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, Firefox, and ESPN, and Fox Sports, DirecTV. So you can connect all your stuff to the Fire TV if you have subscriptions. So hope you like this open box here. Check out my next video. Go ahead, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get all the latest notifications. Thanks, guys.